Hello everyone, in this video we will know how a floor cleaner co-founded the WhatsApp. Before we know about him, I request you all to subscribe my channel. Jan Koyum was co-founded the WhatsApp in 2009. Koyum was born on 24th Feb 1976 in Ukraine. Koyum and his mother moved to California in 1992, where a social support program helped the family to get a small two-bedroom apartment. At the age of 16, his father had intended to join the family later, but he never left Ukraine and died in 1997. Koyum and his mother remained in touch with his father until his death. Koyum's mother worked as a babysitter and Koyum worked as a floor cleaner at a grocery store. His mother died in 2000 after a long battle with cancer. By the age of 18, Koyum became interested in programming. He enrolled at San Jose State University and simultaneously worked at Ernst & Young as a security tester. In 1997, Koyum met Brian Acton while working at Ernst & Young as a security tester. In 1997, Koyum was hired by Yahoo as an infrastructure engineer. Over the next 9 years, Koyum and Acton worked in Yahoo together. In 2007, they both left Yahoo and took a year off. Both applied to work at Facebook and both were rejected. In January 2009, Koyum bought an iPhone and got an idea to develop an app-based messaging app. He visited his friend Alex Fishman and they talked for hours about Koyum's idea for an app. Koyum immediately chose the name WhatsApp because it sounded like WhatsApp. On 24th Feb 2009, he incorporated WhatsApp Inc. in California. Initially, iPhone was not accepted to add WhatsApp in iPhone. Later, it was accepted. Koyum convinced Acton to join the company. Koyum granted Acton co-founder status after Acton managed to bring $250,000 in seed funding. On Feb 9, 2014, Zuckerberg asked Koyum to have dinner at his home and formally proposed to Koyum a deal to join the Facebook board. 10 days later, Facebook announced that it was acquiring WhatsApp for $19 billion. In 2016, Koyum sold half of his shares for $2.4 billion. In 2018, Koyum sold his remaining holding stocks worth $1 billion and leaving WhatsApp and stepping down from Facebook's board of directors due to disputes with Facebook. Several months later, it was discovered that he was still formally employed by Facebook, earning $450 million in stock from the company through a method called rest and vest. This is how Koyum became a billionaire from a floor cleaner. Do one thing and do it well. I hope his story inspired you. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel.